During NVIDIA's Computex keynote in front of a stadium-filled crowd, CEO Jensen Huang made some big announcements, most of which, unsurprisingly, were about the future of artificial intelligence, calling it the new industrial revolution.
This last 60 years, we saw 2 or 3 major technology shifts. 2 or 3 tectonic shifts in computing, where everything changed. And we're about to see that happen again.
Here are some of the biggest takeaways from the NVIDIA keynote. Huang unveiled updates to NVIDIA's Earth 2.0, a digital twin of our planet.
The idea that we would create a digital twin of the Earth, that we would go and simulate the Earth so that we could predict the future of our planet to better avert disasters or better understand the impact of climate change so that we can adapt better, so that we could change our habits now. This digital twin of Earth is probably one of the most ambitious projects that the world's ever undertaken, and we're taking large steps every single year, and I'll show you results every single year, but this year we made some great breakthroughs.
想象一个我们能够预测未来的世界，数位孪生反映真实情况的虚拟世界，让我们看见未来。数位孪生是一种反映真实世界的虚拟模型，让我们能够从今天的行为来预测对未来世界的影响。介绍一下 NVIDIA Earth 2， 一个利用 AI、物理模拟和电脑图形技术来预测全球气候的数位孪生。
NVIDIA is expanding its ACE digital human platform with new partners and NVIDIA NIMs.
You download this NIM and you can talk to it. So long as you have CUDA on your computer, which is now, of course, everywhere. It's in every cloud, available from every computer maker. It is available in hundreds of millions of PCs. When you download this, you have an AI, and you can chat with it like ChatGPT. All of the software is now integrated. 400 dependencies all integrated into one. We tested this NIM, each one of these pre-trained models, against our entire install base that's in the cloud, all the different versions of Pascal and Amperes. And as you know, we now have the ability to create large language models and pre-trained models of all kinds. And we have all of these various versions, whether it's language-based or vision-based or imaging-based, or we have versions that are available for healthcare, digital biology. We have versions that are digital humans. There are many applications where we would like to interact with what is otherwise a human-like form. We call them digital humans. Okay, digital humans has the potential of being a great interactive agent with you. They make much more engaging. They could be much more empathetic. And of course, we have to cross this incredible chasm, this uncanny chasm of realism, so that the digital humans would appear much more natural. This is, of course, our vision. This is a vision of where we love to go. But let me show you where we are.
Great to be in Taiwan. Before I head out to the night market, let's dive into some exciting frontiers of digital humans.
Imagine a future where computers interact with us just like humans can.
Hi, my name is Sophie, and I am a digital human brand ambassador for Unique.
This is the incredible reality of digital humans. Digital humans will revolutionize industries, from customer service to advertising and gaming. The possibilities for digital humans are endless.
Using the scans you took of your current kitchen with your phone,
They will be AI interior designers, helping generate beautiful, photorealistic suggestions and sourcing the materials and furniture.
we have generated several design options for you to choose from.
They'll also be AI customer service agents, making the interaction more engaging and personalized. Or digital healthcare workers who will check on patients, providing timely, personalized care. And they'll even be AI brand ambassadors, setting the next marketing and advertising trends.
Hi, I'm Ima. Japan's first virtual model.
The AIs connect to another generative AI to dynamically animate a lifelike 3D mesh of a face. And finally, AI models that reproduce lifelike appearances, enabling real-time path-traced subsurface scattering to simulate the way light penetrates the skin, scatters, and exits at various points, giving skin its soft and translucent appearance.
Huang also released the Blackwell platform, consisting of a new GPU that is, quote, the world's most powerful chip.
This is the most complex, highest performance computer the world's ever made. This is the Grace CPU. And these are, you could see each one of these Blackwell dies, 2 of them connected together. You see that? It is the largest die, the largest chip the world makes. And then we connect 2 of them together with a 10 terabyte per second link.
He then gave us a further glimpse into the future.
We have code names in our company, and we try to keep them very secret. Oftentimes, most of the employees don't even know. But our next generation platform is called Rubin. And 1 year later, we'd have the Rubin Ultra platform. All of these chips that I'm showing you here are all in full development, 100% of them. And the rhythm is 1 year at the limits of technology, all 100% architecturally compatible. So this is basically what NVIDIA is building, and all of the richness of software on top of it.
And with his grand finale, Huang showed us what truly looks like the next industrial revolution.
The next wave of AI is physical AI. AI that understands the laws of physics. AI that can work among us. In the future, robotics is a much more pervasive idea. Of course, when I say robotics, there's a humanoid robotics that's usually the representation of that. But that's not at all true. Everything is going to be robotic. All of the factories will be robotic. The factories will orchestrate robots, and those robots will be building products that are robotic. Robots interacting with robots, building products that are robotic. Well, in order for us to do that, we need to make some breakthroughs. Well, I think we have some robots that we'd like to welcome. Here we go. About my size.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Computex coverage right here at PCMag.com.